Hi, this is Vanessa Hayes with Get Simplifized, and today I'm going to show you how to make Everything Bagel mix. My husband and I absolutely love Everything Bagels, and we love the mix that goes on top, so we decided to make our own. So what we're going to do is first we're going to take some fried garlic and some onion flakes and some sea salt, and what we're going to do is we're going to grind those up in a food processor because the fried garlic is a little coarse and so is the salt and the onion flakes. So what we're going to do is add 1 cup of fried garlic. Now you can get this fried garlic at an Asian market, and it usually comes in a bottle like this. And then now we're going to add the onion flakes and the sea salt. About 1/2 cup of the onion flakes and 1/4 cup of the sea salt. We're going to mix that up for about 10 seconds. Yeah, that looks pretty good. And the reason why we chop it up, like I said, is that it's a little too coarse, and you want to chop it up a little bit finer so that you can pour it out of the shaker here. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and add that to the bowl. And then we'll add the final ingredients. We have white and black sesame seed. Again, you can find this stuff at an Asian market. And there's the white sesame seed. I've got about 1/4 cup of that, 1/4 cup of poppy seed, and 1/4 cup of caraway seed. Just mix it up. And that's it. My husband and I love to sprinkle this stuff on fried potatoes. We like to add it into our homemade bread mixes, and I also like to add it to my salads to just give it a little crunch and a little bit of that little spicy taste with the garlic and the onion flakes. And then the last step is to go ahead and just add it to your jar. We just scoop it right in there and add it to the jar. And that's it. Then you can sprinkle it on whatever recipe that you have and then store the rest. So for this recipe or more hints and tips to simplify your life, visit us at getsimplifized.com. Enjoy!